Today, I'll show you how to log form data into spreadsheets and trigger an alert, all in just 3 minutes. This process is super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to automate the entire thing, saving time and effort. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll show you a quick tip that could make your workflow even smoother. To get started, we'll be using a popular software that lets us do both of these tasks with ease. If you're serious about automating your processes, I've got an exclusive free trial of this software for you in the description below. It's a limited time offer for my viewers, so don't miss out. First, let's talk about how to log form data into a spreadsheet. When you collect data via a form, whether it's from Google Forms, Typeform, or another form builder, integrating that data into a spreadsheet is easy with the right tools. The software we're using today lets you connect your form with a spreadsheet so all the data automatically flows into your document in real time. Here's how it works. Once you've linked your form to the software, you can map each field in the form to the appropriate columns in the spreadsheet. That way, when someone submits their information, the data is logged straight into your sheet without any manual input. Next up, let's talk about triggering an alert. This step ensures that whenever someone submits the form, you'll get notified instantly. You don't want to miss important submissions, right? The software we're using allows you to set up automatic email or SMS notifications. You can choose to be alerted immediately or on a schedule, depending on your needs. To set up the alert, simply go to the notification settings in the software and choose your preferred notification type, email, SMS, or even both. Then select the form submission that triggers the alert, and you're good to go. The cool thing is that all of this happens seamlessly. As soon as someone fills out the form, their data is logged into the spreadsheet, and you get a notification, whether you're at your desk or on the go. I've tried all the popular software options, and this one is by far the easiest to use while still being powerful enough for any business. Again, if you want to follow along, check the description below for your exclusive free trial. So, let's quickly recap. First, you linked your form to the software and mapped the fields to the spreadsheet, so the data is automatically logged in real time. Then, you set up the alert to notify you instantly whenever a new form submission happens. And just like that, you've automated the process, saving you time and ensuring you never miss a form submission. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the best way to start automating your tasks and improving your workflow right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.